Bro, new video coming out. Bro, huge pop in Tesla overnight. I gotta check the portfolio. Holy cow. Let's check it. Oh, I'm tired, bro. Bro, I should not be doing so. I'm up 3.3% today. Cool. So, Isaiah, you're on mute. We're gonna look for a mean reversion, preferably on the 3-minute, which is gonna take probably another 30 minutes at least to get there. And then, unless we get a flash crash on the 1-minute and get a mean reversion of over 1.7, which could take less than 30 minutes, but we'll see. Bro. Oh. Any setups that you see, Isaiah? Okay. We're probably going to look for some sort of mean reversion signal and then fair value gap inverse. Inverse fair value gap. Any sort of liquidity you're looking for, Isaiah? Wait, what is it at? 2, 3, 2, 4. Oh, up. Bro, that is way up there. Bro, I think we're going to move downwards today. What's your lower liquidity level? Wait, what is your thesis on that level above this? Oh, okay, cool. I see it. Okay. I think we kind of will. If we don't, we're gonna reverse right here for a fake out. Yeah. And if we do reverse here, then we're gonna have to wait for a while. Dude, we're so 4 hour. We're due for a sell. I'm looking at like 771 area. Yeah, 7 around there. 770. Price has bounced off of it. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. That previous resistance will turn into support is my bet. Two, 3, 7, 7, 0, roughly, not exact. Okay. Let's see what we're at. Winning trades 13 out of 14, so we got a 14 out of 15 today. What percent is that? Mr. Physics major, what is that? Bro, it's supposed to be good at math. 93%. Holy cow, Tesla's going insane. Holy shit. Holy shit, bro. God damn. That is fucking nuts. Bro. These call options are at 8%. High conviction plays, bro. Number one, telling you. Bro, do you see this thumbnail? Isaiah, can you see my screen? Bro, is that a good thumbnail? Yeah. That's a picture from Jaden took it of me at prom. Wait, no. I think Michael might have taken that one. I think Michael might have taken that one. Yeah, we're live on YouTube too. Right, so bro, you say in general, should we just call you like coochie? like what do you want us to like if we have like a question for you, should we just call you like I don't know. You'd say in the chat to me coochie like Isaiah. I don't know. Huh? Damn. Damn, that's good, bro. It's even better. Yeah, that's good. That's the most that anyone's got yet. Yeah, I know that song, bro. I know that song. Dude, I don't know what's happening with my YouTube reels, but the algo's not pushing it out at all. Like, before, all of them got like 1,000 right away, and then 89, 27. So, it's kind of cooked. I think it's because it might be because it only pushes one out at a time, and right now it's pushing this one out, but it's been pushing out for like 2 days, and normally it's like a day. That could be partially the issue. So I don't think I might not post anything today on here for stories or shorts. Some getting shaded in you, bro. Oh, my new backpack came, bro. Hey, let me text you. Bro, let me grab my new backpack. Bro, it's kind of baller. Isaiah, look at this. It's kind of a baller backpack. Yeah. Coach. Hold on, let me turn the light on. Yeah. It's kind of small though, so I don't. We're have keeping the books at the door now, so. Let me take this off or not. I don't see anything still. It's gonna be a while. A 1,000 on that. Has it plateaued? Has it plateaued? Damn. Mine's at 205, 14 likes, and it just is done. Flatline. Mine only got 205 and 14 likes, and it flatlined from there. Dude, I don't know. I haven't looked into the algorithm for TikTok yet. I'm not sure how it pushes it out. Bro, in our live right now. Do you have any like questions like that you could answer? I don't know. There's not any trades right now, so if you have any questions, let us know. Right now we're kind of just chopping. I'm not that. Alright, we're heading up, I guess. It's odd. God, yo, what the hell? Bro, Tesla. What the hell? What is this? What is... That's not right. What started playing, bro? There we go. Tesla, baby. Yeah, bro, this PA is terrible. I think we're heading down. I wouldn't really want to take any sort of long until we reset our side on the 3 min. If we go higher, I would consider a short, but I would prefer a long and a reset on our side. 100%. I lost a subscriber last night. Fuck, bro. Wait, Isaiah, look at my screen now. Do you see it? Cooked. Alright, you want to resume the music? Yeah, bro, we're definitely heading down. Bro, what the fuck? Bro, no way. Bro, I'm pretty confident we're going down. Bro, I should just place like a short now and not even look at it. But I'm not gonna do that because we're not gambling here. You know what this is, Isaiah? So, day. Oh, sweet, I appreciate it. Buy NQ, building liquidity to be able to trade at that scale. There's another find. You would buy and sell into. Bro, so NQ is pretty much. Wait, hopefully you can hear us or not. Can you? Yeah, okay. Oh. wait, we gotta pause the music. Hold on. We gotta pause the music. Yeah. Wait, what the hell? Oh, let me type it in. Pause it. So, sorry about that. The NQ is pretty much the NASDAQ, and the reason so many people trade it, is because it has very clean price action. So, it'll have, like, a lot of these other ones. Okay, let me go to individual stocks, for example. Their price action is kind of crazy, and they have a lot of big spikes, and it's harder to trade. So this kind of has cleaner movements in price, and that's why most people trade NQ. And it's a future, so it's not like an individual stock. I'm assuming you know what NASDAQ is, but it's just like all the top 100 companies, right? So it's just easy to trade. They have other ones such as like ES. It's pretty much like the same thing, but it's a different type of future. They have different types of futures, but if you don't want to trade with like that much volatility, well, I don't trade this normally. What I do is MNQ, and it's micro, and it's a tenth of the size. It tracks the exact same price movement. However, you only get your fluctuations in price are only 10% of that of NQ. So, like for every dollar that you'd move on this, you'd only move 10 cents on this. Sell in. I think that's, yeah, hopefully that answered your question. Cool. Do you have any music requests that you want to put on? By the way, you can like turn down the music. You just click the bot on there, and then drag the scale down on the volume. That's what we normally do. It's just like playing kind of low in the background. Yeah. Well, let us know if you have any music requests that we can put in for you. We listen to everything, so. MNQ. I'm gonna pull up MNQ right now. I'll show you an example. I'm just gonna, bro. Wait, I don't want to put this on the YouTube live. Hold on. Let me do another screen. Bro, I'm gonna share a different screen real quick, and I'll show you, like, for example, what the price fluctuations are on it. Okay. Alright, hopefully you can see that. So let's say I think the market is gonna go downwards right now, so I place a sell on both of these. You can kind of see how like it moves different. I'll just leave that on there. I'm not like trading right now because this isn't a good trade, but I'm just gonna show you like what an example. You can see how it plays out on there. But yeah, overall, I do think the market is going to go down. So we'll just let that play out in the stream. The entries were slightly different. So yeah, we're about halfway through mean reversion on the 3 minute. All right. Yeah, none of my models are going to catch anything over here on these levels. So technically, I could use the 1 minute mean reversion, but it's not as solid of a model, and I wouldn't want to put that out on the Discord because it's risky. I wouldn't want other people risking their own capital and something like that. But yeah, as you can see, it's like a tenth of the price movement, pretty much. Huh? Okay. Okay. Look at that. Yeah, I called that this morning, bro. Market's going down. Let's hear it. Damn. Oh yeah, I have the sound on my library. Change. Damn, our example trade is up 30 points. Most people like would die for that. Bro, like with the winning streak we're on right now is insane. So let's say you're only one contract. What you would want to do is just drag your stop loss down with it. I'll show you an example. I'll do it right now. Just drag it down. Oh, I don't want higher than that. So now it's a risk-free trade. Price can go up, but so now if price goes into that stop loss, I'm sure you've seen me like say, "Oh, drag your stop loss up." That's what I mean. If price goes to this level, it just sells for you, and you just get that much profit, and you can drag it up with you. So like that. So now I'm gonna be taking home no more or no less than 22 points. Put this on here. Bro, that edge, the stop loss right there. On the micro actually fit, but it wasn't on. So yeah, for example, right there, the stop loss just got hit. Right. Shop. That was a nice trade right there. Yeah, bro. On where? Just below us? Oh, you mean on a reversal? Okay. Okay. Mine's still a bit away. What level are you looking for down here? Dude, that is far down. I don't think we're going down that far personally. Maybe. Oh, let me put on my other screen. Oh, change. Okay. might see a short-term upward push soon. Still a bit away on the 3-minute mean reversion. AMD's down 6% today. Wow. Dude, this push down is snuggly. Oh my gosh. Key level right here too. Okay, on the 1 minute, we're getting down to. No, we're still pretty far actually. Mean reversion. Bruh. Bruh. Bro, the winning streak must continue. Bro, what is this drop, bro? we're getting down to your level right now, Isaiah. And we're also entering 3-minute mean reversion territory right now. It's perfect. This is perfect timing, bro. We just swept your level. Bro, what is this price action? Dude. 200 points, dude. It's nuts. Are you looking for inverse fair value for now? You're about to inverse the 1-minute fair. ATR buy on there too. You inverse the fair value gap from the 1. You didn't get it close yet though. Mr. Isaiah. Looking like you got your trade here. Are you in? And bro, this is looking hell good. Now I got the mean reversion on the 1 minute. I might hop in with you, I don't know. Or I might just follow the model. Actually, no, I'm not gonna hop in with you because you also alert it on there too. Wait, what's your entry requirement? On the what, minute 5? This? Bro, I wouldn't wait that long for an entry. Well, I would look for on a lower time frame. If I inverse this fair value gap with a confirmation and I got a trend reversal, I would enter with your model. But it failed this fair value up here, so bro, failed the fair value up. Don't enter yet. 4-hour what? How's this? You like the song I say? Uh-huh. Been muted. Yo. What up, Isaiah? What? Alright. We're at 1.27 standard deviations on the 1 minute. We're definitely in bio territory on the 3 minute. So now we are looking for setup number 2. Unless we get one before that, which I don't think we will. The team is looking for setup number 2 right now. Let's do it. Okay. Really? Okay, we're getting an ATR flash on 3 men. However, this is gonna be kind of screwed because it was such a hard drop that the optimized trend is gonna be kind of messed up. So I might take an optimized trend flip on the lower time frame. Mean reversion signal is probably about to occur if we get another leg up. 3 minute. So right now we're at not really a key level or anything. No confirmation. information. Level could be potentially dropped. Oh, no. Bro, that's a nasty candle right there. $609 is my next level. A 4-hour candlestick. Top of the wick. Yeah. Dude, imagine we held those shorts so we took for the example trade. The example, okay. This is getting solid. We're probably gonna end up getting a confluence model flash on the 3-minute even, which is very rare. Okay, we're getting a doji candlestick. We just got a doji candlestick on the 3-minute. So we're gonna push down. See if we can turn this into a rejection candlestick. That'd be pretty bullish. Bro, that is really far down there. Doubt it. Okay, this is looking good. This is turning into a rejection candlestick, which I was saying. See if it continues. Confluence is beginning to flash a buy. This is gonna turn into a good trade, I think, guys. 100%. 100%. I don't want to end the winning streak. we're getting some by momentum here, especially on the 1 minute animated reversion signal and ATR signal. I would front ride this on the, I don't know, probably not. Definitely looks like we're getting reversal. I kind of want to take a 1 minute trend change on this. I just don't see the 3 minute being as successful due to how strong of a downtrend this was. So it's going to take quite considerable upward momentum to break it. And then we're already going to, at that point, we're already going to be like far into the trade. We're approaching this level. What do you mean New York lows? Shit. Wait, what do you mean New York lows? New York low is at like 409 yesterday. PM low. I don't trade that way, so bro, I want to front ride the optimized trend flip. I'm gonna take it on the 1 minute. This is going off the model though. Bro, somehow Tesla's up today. Still. Okay, I'm liking this. Ooh, nice rejection getting off that level of liquidity. Huh? Bro, if we break this level. How is this, bro? See something. could see a double bottom, even something like that, which would make it kind of risky to hop in on the 1 minute version or optimized string flip. Bro, the guy left, bro. Our one member in the audience, bro. He leaves right before the trade forms every day. It's getting cooked. We need Jo and Jada, bro. Dude, patience will win every time. Gotta have patience to win. Yeah, I'm actually pretty hesitant on taking an optimized string flip on the 3 minute. Right, or on the 1 minute. Bro, somehow Tesla's up right now. Everything's so weak. 330 points, that's insane. Bro, I said, earlier I said, oh, bro, we're going down. I didn't know it was gonna be this down, bro. Nah, I didn't know it was gonna be this down. I'm ready for a bed, bro. Ready for a nap. Oh my god. Yeah. 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 Literally. We're gonna pop soon. Definitely pop soon. Pop. We're gonna get a pop. Bro, I'm looking at your videos. 970. Okay, get it. Flip on the 1 minute. Oh god. Bro, I want to enter, but the model is telling me not to. Or it hasn't flashed yet. And I want to stick with the model. But my brain is telling me it's just gonna pump up more. Okay, I got all of that now on the 3 minute. All I'm waiting for is an optimized turn flip, and then I'm in. Preferably, I would like this to drop a little bit, as seen in my diagram, but I don't think we're gonna get that. Dude, this is like, something's telling me not to take this, bro. Something is telling me this thing is gonna drop back down, and I'll get a better entry. Mark my words. This is challenging, whether it's challenging, bro. If we're gonna enter, it has to be right here. Right, like here. I think, okay, my ideal setup is we get a little bit more of a pullback, and then we pop it for a double bottom. That's my ideal setup. Are we gonna get that? I don't know, but just based on how this looks, I don't like how it looks at all. The setup's good, but I don't like how it bottomed. I feel like I've seen this before, and I got screwed on it before. I feel like, you know what I mean? Okay, I was right. Ish. We'll see if this plays out more. I'm glad I didn't take that. There we go. There we go. Okay, I'm looking for, this will be, once we get this is gonna be A plus, I think. Dude, we're going gray, bro. We're going gray by 25, 30. It's the most high stress job, bro, ever. Bro, I'm trying to convince Jaden to join the VC. Yeah, bro, I'm cool. Something was telling me, bro, to not take that. Okay, let's see what happens here. If we continue to drop, I'm gonna be kind of salty. You broke that. Okay, ideal situation right now. We get freaking Chin flip right here. We reverse right here and chin flip. That's ideal. Bro, something was telling me, bro, to not take that. I'm glad I did it. Dude, how is Tesla up 2.4% today? What the fuck? Did news come out? Or what happened? Dude, I'm only imagining how high up it would be if there was. Oh, the pay package was approved. That's what it was. Dude, what is this? Hey, now we're going down to my next levels, which are down. I would never think would hit these. Oh, yeah. Oh. Bro, this is gonna be a long runner, bro. Once we're in it, it's gonna run for a while. The only issue is getting in the correct entry. There's a chat message. Huh. Day trading to $1 million live. Okay, we just hit those levels. Oh my gosh. Oh, dude. Okay, literally right off the level. Did we believe there's so many different levels, man? It's ridiculous. we're gonna get a pop right here. I think that might have been the bottom right there. Gosh. That was the bottom, bro. That's my prediction. That was the bottom right there. Getting my violet already. I bet a lot of people got screwed on that 750 area. I might enter with one con here and then add another once we get the food. No, okay. I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait. Bro, I think yeah, I swear. Shit. Bro, my headphones are done. Bro, we did not wait 2 hours, bro, for a losing trade. Like that. 1 minute. I like this. Dude, we're the we're getting to be really good traders. Like, it's not even funny. We're becoming like very good traders. Dude, if we fall down more, I'm gonna be kind of salty. Yeah. Dude, this is like I think this is the biggest move I've ever seen. This is 400 points. That's the biggest one I've ever seen in a small amount of time. Biggest move ever I've seen from the time trading. Two. Or I guess an hour. Pumping, yeah. Dude, well, this is telling me, is a model is being successful at its job, and it has kept us out of taking a bad trade. For me, your model is different. You haven't taken one either. A nice rejection. Nice rejection right there. Beautiful rejection. You have a nice fair value gap you could enter off of too. Looking at the 3 and 2 minute. Beautiful fair value gap you could enter off, and I'd be confluent with my model as well. That is a beautiful one, though, bro. The 3 minute might even be better. Okay, I'm looking for an entry here. It's probably going to chop around a little bit in it, and then I'm about to pull the trigger on this. A little bit of a pullback I'm entering. entered one contract right there. Looking to enter another one once we get a trim flip. Not alerting yet, he's going to get a trim flip, and this is risk, high risk, but trend flip is here. Enter another contract there. Holy shit, Isaiah. This is why we have patience. Listen, are you in? Are you in? Are you in, Isaiah? You're in? Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah. Wait. No, this isn't. Yeah, 30 points. Bro, the only math I can do is calculating point value. Bro, I can't do any of that math for you serious, but I can calculate how many points are up right now. Let's get it, man. Should we go break even on this? I don't know if we should do it yet. Actually, okay, this is, now we're getting to the zone where it's a little iffy. On the 3 minute, we are at the top of the fair value gap, kind of rejecting. If we break this, we're in for a long run. I almost want to trim one contract here. How many contracts did you enter? 5. I'm trimming one. Okay, I'm holding the other contract. This is gonna pop, bro. I can tell. This is gonna go crazy. This is gonna be like a 60. This can be our first 100-point play, buddy. Trust. Yeah. All right. If we break below this, I'm gonna exit. Glad I trimmed. Nice rejection. Okay. Holding strong, hold strong. Hold strong here. We're still in optimized trim blue territory, and we're in a nasty fair value gap we have to get through. Beautiful rejection candle right there. You could definitely see a pop through this fair value gap after we got that rejection candle and took out liquidity down there. Took out some of the longs, scared retail out. Where are some take profit levels we can use? Probably 50% retracement on Fibonacci. That would put us at 2705. Holy cow, that would be Isaiah, that would be 133 points. Okay, I'm gonna walk away and get a snack real quick. I'll be right back. We are cooking so fucking hard. Alright, I'm back. What? Holy shit. Shame. Bro, that's the homie hustler model, bro. That's the homie hustler model, bro. Bro, yeah, don't wait for the fair value to get broken always, bro. That kills your returns. There we go, baby. What's that guy's name? DJ Khaled. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna say in the chat. Bro, what the fuck? Dude, we hit 60. No, we hit a 50 pointer, 68 pointer, 20 pointer, and now this is gonna be a 100 pointer. Like, what the hell are it? We're like really fucking good, Isaiah. Like, what the fuck? What the fuck, dude? 2,600. Bro, I'm putting 50% fib. Dude, what the hell? Yeah, this is unfortunate. It's hard, bro. Look at Gavin's signals. PS 120 people see that. Holy cow! 50 points. Almost 50 points, bro. What the hell is this? What the fuck is this, bro? Oh yeah. What? Wait, I'm gonna break even on this. I'm not 12. Bro, why is it on bars? What the hell? Bro, no, it's still there. It's like this is like no. Yeah, no. But bars is just like the amount of candles. You have to look at the points. It's on top of that. Use your measuring tool. Yeah, we're not at 60. We're not at 62 right now yet. We're at like 30 right now. It dropped a bit. I'm break even on it though. The gifts in there are insane, bro. Bro, people are gonna be like, "What the hell is wrong with this guy, bro?" What the hell's wrong with this dude? Bro, I'm gonna grab some water. I'll be back. Holy shit, bro. We the best. Yeah, at this point, yeah. 50 points. Bro, do you see in the chat what I sent? Holy. That's 50 points. That's 50 points right there, bro. Let's fuck me in the chat, bro. Yeah. Now we're at 55. 60. Whole 60. 60. There. How's my stop loss at? Okay. I want to give this room to breathe, so I'm just gonna move it to 10 points profit. What? Damn. Bro, ASMR too. In the live. No one's in the live, I don't think. Yeah, no. They're missing out on banger trades, bro. We're literally like top. Bro, hold on, let me switch this. We're probably like top 1% traders right now, bro. Not even lying, bro. Give it room to breathe. Give it room to breathe, yeah. Risk free trade, bro. Either way, this is a beautiful trade we took. There's a heavy rejection candle on that. That's why we're having some resistance on the 754 candle. 1 minute, we're looking a little weak. What? Are you a happy boy right now? Okay, we're overheated on the 1 minute RSI right now. We should have seen that earlier. Optimized turn flipped to orange on the 1 minute. I'm not getting out. There's still a lot of room to run, in my opinion. We're probably gonna head down more. I'm just letting it sit, man. I'm not touching it. I'll move my SL up later, but there we go. 65 points. We're about to pop right here. If that forms a nice breaker block, or you should say in the chat. Bro, I want a personal BJ from everyone in this this Discord, bro. There, that's kind of sus, right? That, bro. Oh yeah, 65 points right here, Isaiah. 65 points. Bro, did you get ChatGPT Premium? Do what in the shower? 70 points. Holy shit. Yeah. I found it a funny ass wait. Look at Gavin's signals real quick. Look at the wolf. Bro, it's so sped, bro. It's only Wednesday. Oh wait, it's Friday? What the fuck? Bro, I thought it was Wednesday today. What the hell? Dude, I thought it was. Dude, where did the week go? I might take profits with you early. What's the level at? You never go break taking profits, eh? Bro, this is our first. Dude, I want 100 points, bro. I want to make my first 100-point play. That's at 2K. 2K profit is 100 points. Yeah. I'm taking profits at 100 points, bro. I don't care. It's either hitting my stop loss or I'm getting 100 points. You're about to hit it. Bro, mine hit 80 points. You must have entered a little bit later after me. Oh, here we go. You're about to hit it. You're about to hit it. Oh, it's edging you, bro. It's edging you. How? How much did you lose? We got another version flash sell 1 minute. We haven't even got to the 2 minute yet. Probably about once we get to 100 points, we're gonna get a 2 minute version sell. Okay, I'm at 80 plus points right now. $85 almost. Oh, you're gonna be there in a second. Oh, yeah. Are you there? Are you there? You must be like a point away. They hit take profit. Okay, I'm still in. Just giving it a little bit. Oh my gosh, Jake the Homie Hustler's in here. No way. Jake the Homie Hustler. Bro, come speak. Come speak. I want to hear your beautiful voice. What's up, Jake the Homie Hustler? How you doing, bro? Bro, you see I invited you to speak. You gotta come on the stage. You denied it? Bro, come to speak, bro. What's up, Jake? Let's go. Bro, look who's in here. Isaiah's in here, bro. He's making bank. Yes, sir, bro. Dude, this is tough. Jake, are you going to the gym today? I was planning to go after I finish this. So you want to go soon? Yeah, wait, tell Cole to join the VC right now. Isaiah, okay, we're almost here, Isaiah. In a couple seconds, we're gonna hit it. One last push up. I need 5 points, bro. Yeah, tell him to join the VC. Bro, 95 points. Holy. Bro, it's edgy. Okay, now I'm getting edged, Isaiah. Just smack it, bro. Smack it. Come on. Bro, so let me know about Cole, okay? See you, home messer. What a fire dude, bro. Bro, this is all on live, too. Oh, bro, 5 points. Come on, bro. Less than 5 points. Bro, I just want to be able to say I hit a 100-point trade, you know? Because this is my first ever one. Oh, we're about to smack it. We're about to smack it. We're about to smack it, bro. Bro, watch us just like flash crash downwards. Oh my gosh. Imagine. Fuck, bro. I'd actually be so salty if that happened. Oh my gosh, we're you fucking gotta be kidding me. Dude, the second I say watch us flash crash down, we flash crash down. Oh, bro. Okay. That's PMOs. That really PMOs, bro. That really PMOs. Are you kidding me? No, I'm out. I got stop loss hit. I moved it up. I was still 70 points. Just 70 points, you know. I'm right here, bro. I'm just typing in chat. I said I'm salty as hell. Wait, I'm gonna send him another gift, bro. What should I send? Probably. Alright, you gotta go. I'm gonna hop on too. Yeah, but what's up? Yeah. Yeah, I did. Yeah. You can't even have any other computers nearby. You can't. You have to do it in the living room. You can't have any other screens nearby. They're not supposed to. Yeah. Yeah. Bro, don't get caught, bro. Don't get caught. Very cooked. Alright, bet. I'll talk to you, bro. Alright. Alright. I'll see you, bro. Peace.